Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get Excel data in Power BI. First, launch Power BI Desktop and navigate to the Home tab. Locate and click the Get Data button. From the drop-down menu, select Excel Workbook as your data source. A File Explorer window will appear. Simply browse to your desired Excel file, select it, and click Open. This initiates the connection process, bringing your valuable data into Power BI for analysis. Once you've selected your Excel file, the Navigator window will appear, showing all available sheets and tables within your workbook. Carefully review these options and select only the specific tables or sheets you intend to use. After making your selections, click the Transform Data button. This action will open the powerful Power Query editor, where you can refine and clean your data before loading it into Power BI. Inside the Power Query editor, you have the flexibility to perform various transformations. This includes changing data types, removing unnecessary columns, or filtering rows to ensure your data is perfectly clean. Once your data is prepared, click Close and Apply from the Home tab. This will load the transformed data directly into your Power BI model, making it ready for you to start creating insightful visualizations and reports. For the best experience, always format your Excel data as an official Excel table before importing. This helps Power BI correctly identify data ranges. Also, ensure that each column in your Excel file maintains consistent data types. For example, a column should contain only numbers or only text. Finally, try to avoid merged cells in your Excel sheets, as they can often cause unexpected issues during the data import process into Power BI.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.